you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's hair is sponsored by Kisslove hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's hair video. They did send us over goodies and everything to install this unit. So with that being said, let's get into it. This unit is 24 inches. It's a 360 lace front wig. The wig does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and everything, okay? I am loving these curls. Do y'all see these curls? It's already pre-curled. So now I'm just showing y'all the pre-cut lace and everything, the inside of the cap construction. You do get combs, a adjustable elastic band, adjustable drawstring, y'all. I thought that was really nice. I'm loving that. I'm loving the adjustable drawstring on this 360 unit. This unit is glueless, you guys. I haven't even done anything yet, and let's just appreciate how she's laying. Let's appreciate how she is laying, okay? I'm loving it. So I am going to cut the sides just to adjust it on my head. Make sure that you're careful doing this because you do not want to cut the adjustable drawstring. Let's get into this pre-plucked hairline though, y'all. It is looking so good, okay? It's looking so good. Y'all, check out this melt. This melt, though, check out this melt. Girl. I'm just going to use my liquid foundation to blend that in. Y'all, look at that. Look at the difference. This is my favorite part. Now it looks like scalp. I'm just showing y'all the drawstring and how to adjust it in the back. We're going to put her up in a bun just so y'all can see that you can wear this in a ponytail, a bun, whatever, okay? And it's looking so good. You can't tell me that this doesn't look good. You cannot tell me. The hair is so gorgeous, you guys. I'm loving it. Now, I am showing y'all the parting space that you do get, okay? You do get plenty of parting space. So you are free to do whatever hairstyle you would like to do with this unit. I'm just going to go with my side part. Y'all know I love my side part. I'm going to go ahead and do my side part. When I tell y'all that the hair came out so beautiful. It came out so beautiful. I highly recommend. All details on this unit will be down in the description box below. So make your purchase today to Slay with J. Okay. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all post notifications so every time that I post a video, you will be notified. Mwah.